What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. We are back in the shop today. We had a couple orders come through. We have a laptop that got dropped off for repair, so I figured I'd roll through that. We also have a couple people that said they were going to come by and pick up some graphics cards in store, so we'll see if that happens. It normally doesn't whenever they say they're stopping by, but I try to be friendly nevertheless. First off, I think I had showed you guys this on a previous video. This big honkin', this is a 3060 Ti. Just for reference, these are the 2060s that I just got in the other day, and look at the size difference. This 3060 Ti is massive, but regardless, I listed it. It's sold because it's a cool card. These kind of cards just don't last. So I'm gonna get this boxed up. The normal boxes that I like using are the what size are they? They are the 12 by 12 by 6, and this thing is, it doesn't fit in it by like a country mile. It is 13 inches long. So, and I know I'm not trying to like put it in there sideways, so had to go digging, found a bigger box to actually fit it in. I don't remember the order number for this one. Let's see here. It's order number 1277. It looks like he got this 3060 Ti, and he also got a 1660 Super PNY card. So we're gonna get this bad boy wrapped up and then roll on to the next couple orders. I won't bore you with all of them, but figure we'll show a couple while we're here. The 1660 Super PNY, wham bam, thank you ma'am. These cards are pretty legit. But yeah, so on to the next one. All right, we got another order. This is order number 1278, and I noticed I'm running dangerously low on shipping supplies. So normally I have a bunch of tape on hand. I'm down to my last roll, about half a roll, and then my poly mailers, I'm down to like the last 20 of those. My bubble wrap, I'm on the last big roll. So I'm gonna have to put in a big order of shipping supplies, I guess pretty much ASAP, because I don't even know if I have everything to finish today's orders. So if you did order something in the last, over the weekend, because I don't ship stuff out over the weekend, I do apologize if I didn't get to yours. I will get to it probably tomorrow. I know technically my hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 to 2, but whenever I don't have anything going on the construction side of things, I just come into the office and get more done. But yeah, I just try to have some kind of guaranteed hours. That way, if you're local, you can just pop in and stop by, and I'm gonna be here, But yeah, so order number 1278. They got the EVGA 1300 watt. It is a G2, so a nice little power supply. Got the carrying case in case you need to take your power supply somewhere, and then it had a full set of cables for it. All, I think it was like 15 or 14 pack, but all the cables were in that, so that was nice. Since I'm running so low on bubble wrap, I'm actually going to use some bubble mailers. So I always normally like to put the cards in bubble mailers anyway, but we'll go ahead and put that power supply in one, and we'll put some bubble mailers on the bottom, the sides, all around it, and basically be some ghetto bubble wrap. There we go. Oh goodness, man, he got a deal on this. So I originally had this up for like, I think it was like 70 bucks, and then he used the 10% off code, which should still be active for the next couple days. I think I ran it till the end of the month, but it's 10 off to get 10% off your first order in the store. Oh goodness, I got the hiccups. But I think he ended up getting this thing for like, after shipping, like $60-something. So can't complain with a 1300 watt gold EVGA power supply for under 70 bones. Because power supplies are expensive nowadays. Fold this up, shove that down in there, and then fold this up and shove that down in there. There we go. That will do. So now I figured I'll show you that laptop that got dropped in for repair. Oh, okay. So, where is it? Here it is. Wait. Where is it? Somewhere over here. Here it is. Ta-da! It's like a gaming laptop. It is a MSI Sword 15, and not sure what specs it has, but the little power adapter where you push it in is all kind of goobered up and pushed in down inside there. I have not opened it up yet, but I went ahead and looked them up online, and apparently it's super common that there's little clips that hold it in, and some people, like, you can rig it up, or you can just buy a replacement one with the new style clips and it holds it in a lot better. And it was literally like 10 bucks for a new one, and the power adapter just clicks in. Let's see here, I'll show you. So yeah, here's the new power adapter, and then it just plugs in, and then this one has metal brackets instead of, I guess, the plastic ones that break off. So this one should hold in there and be fine. In the past, I have like rigged it up and you know, like hot glued them in there and you know, shoved stuff down in there. Even one time on my own personal laptop, from unplugging it and pushing it in, it pushed the barrel jack in, and I took Legos and had cut them in half and shoved them down in there and then hot glued it all around so it couldn't move. And obviously that would work, but we're trying to be a little bit more professional here, so do it the right way and do it one time. Then I don't have to worry about it, right? So I'm gonna get that pulled apart here in a second, and we'll show you what she looks like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time has got away from me, and I actually have an appointment to go meet up with a guy to pick up some GPUs. Not super new stuff, but not super old. Some 2080s and 2080 Ti's. Wish me luck. Hopefully that goes through. I'll probably work on that laptop either this evening or tomorrow. I probably need to come back this evening, so I guess just bear with me and we'll see if I have any new GPUs in my possession. So see y'all here in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna recap this video. I was going to work on that laptop. I reached out to the customer and I let him know that, hey, I had a lot of stuff come in. Do you need this thing right now? I can still get it done for you. And he was like, oh, don't worry, brother. I'm actually out of town. And I was like, yeah, that's what's up. Okay. So yeah, got a little bit of time with that, mainly due to the fact that I've had so many orders come in lately, and it's a good problem to have. I don't want you guys to think I'm complaining. I actually love the fact that the shop is gaining traction and that kind of thing. But for reference, today is Tuesday. I think that's a sales call. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd, 2024, or April 23rd, 2024. My normal hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But I've gotten so many orders over the past couple days that I had to come in today because I'd be getting behind. So I thought to myself, I need to probably step it up to 4 days a week. But I don't know if I'll be able to do that until after summertime, coming into like the next winter, because I do have a good amount of contractor work that's popped up for my construction company. So I'm just keeping that on Tuesday and Thursday. I didn't have any for today, so I came in the shop. But maybe for next year or in this winter time, we'll step up the days that I'm in here. Regardless, though, man, I'm enjoying it. I really am. We're enjoying talking to you guys. don't be afraid to give me a call or give me a text message, especially on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If it's not on those days, you can still send me a message or leave me a message. I just might take me till a little bit longer to get back to you. But yeah, I'm having a good time. I'm glad you guys are having a good time. Some people were reaching out to me and they were really happy with like the prices and stuff. I try to be competitive, try to, you know, pass some savings along. If I get good deals, you get good deals, and so on. So hopefully we can just keep this ball rolling, and yeah, I'm stoked. There was something else I was going to bring up. I'm not sure. Oh, also, I'm looking for a little bit of help on Discord. So I have some, I have one moderator on there, well, two moderators on there, but I'm looking for a little bit of help with like Discord backend setup. I have a couple people that were decent, but I can't get up with them anymore. So if you have any experience with Discord and like setting up like auto alerts and integrations and that kind of thing, shoot me an email. My email's down below. And if you're looking to sell any of your items, because I get comments all the time, hey, will you buy this, this, and this? Hit me up on my email down below in the description as well. So yes, ladies and gentlemen. And I think that's pretty much it. I think I am going to do a live stream here soon, like a Ask Me Anything AMA live stream. Just don't know when I'm going to do it, but we'll get there. Oh, also, let's see here. Where is it? Oh, no. It's around here somewhere. Hold on. Shout out to... Here we go. Okay. Shout out to Hawk. He actually did a live stream a couple days ago, and he did a giveaway for a bunch of stuff. So I jumped in on it and I told him, hey, I got some of these PNY 1660 Supers, and let's give away one on your channel, because I'm never good at doing live stream giveaways, and he's awesome at doing it. So I was like, you know what, let's keep the energy and let's keep it going good. So here's this PNY 1660 Super. It's going out to that winner. I don't necessarily want to put his name out there, but I think his YouTube channel was IEEE, I believe. Yeah. So congrats, buddy. This thing's gonna get wrapped up and shipped out today, so you should see it here soon. Other than that though, I'm gonna go ahead and we're capping this video off. It is done. Oh, I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, if you haven't checked out Hawk's YouTube channel, Hawk Mining Crypto, he like plays with birds and stuff, and he's a really nice guy. So go check him out, let him know that Brandon sent you and you're looking for the birds. So peace.